Good day, friends, and welcome to Airlines Jobs Updates with Anushka. Today, I am coming to share with you many jobs vacancies for Indigo. Well, Indigo is one of the most famous airways company in India and all over the world. So, now let's move to the website and read together. The first job vacancy is Assistant Manager Analytics. The jobs is full-time type and located in Gurugram. So, the assistant manager is the one who is responsible of gathering data from offline and online database and analyzing the same as per business. Also, identifying opportunities to improvise on various processes and operations and more few responsibilities. As you see, not hard tasks to do. So to read more and to apply now for this job vacancy, just visit the link in description. We move now to job vacancy number 2. We have assistant manager as a full-time type which located in Gurugram, India. We can read here that if you have experience in video making, and it would be great for you if you have advertising agency background. You have big chance to be selected for this job offer. So, to read more about the vacancy and to apply, just follow the link in description. The third vacancy is Senior Manager Digital Marketing. The job located in Gurugram, India, and it is a full-time job type. Well, this role holder will lead the digital marketing function and be responsible for developing, executing, and measuring marketing campaigns at group level or specific to a business. Let's read together some desired skills. You have led a successful multi-channel customer experience communication strategy with a customer profile at the core. Should have complete understanding of SEO, SEM, social media, and more skills you must to read. So, if you are interested in this job vacancy, you will find the link to read more about desired skills, personal attributes, educational and experience, and also to apply for the vacancy. We move now to the fourth vacancy, Assistant Manager Procurement, located in Gurugram, India as full-time job type. Let's scroll down to read about your role and responsibilities. Well, you will be responsible for developing new vendors. You will be responsible for identifying process improvements and also implementing them, and more few responsibilities. To read more and how to apply, I am leaving for you the link in description. We have as fifth job vacancy, Ramp L and TLO. The job is located in Ranchi, India and full-time type. I am going to read for you some important responsibilities for this job. You will check the cleaning and take the boarding clearance from the cabin crew. You will make sure loading is done as per loading instruction report given by the load and trim staff. After departure, make sure that all the equipments are sent back to the transport yard. To read more about job vacancies and to apply now, just visit the link in description. Finally, we have ground staff AO and CS located in Raipur, India. The job vacancy is full-time type. Now let's read some requirements. You must be graduated or under graduation from a recognized board or university as determined by Indigo. Airport operations experience preferred. No visible tattoo marks on body. You must be between 18 to 27 years old. Well, to read more about requirements and desired skills and how to apply for this vacancy, just visit the link in description. Friends, I hope all the best for you. I see you soon. And if you have any question, just contact me.